I bought and tested these crimping tools so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After trying out multiple options, I've narrowed it down to the top 5 that truly stand out in terms of performance, durability, and ease of use. Let's dive into these tools that can make your wire crimping tasks a breeze. Product number 1. WGGE WG015 Professional 8-inch Wire Stripper Crimping Tool. I first held the WGGE WG015 in my hands, I could immediately tell it was built for serious work. This 8-inch tool, made from high carbon alloy steel, has a robust feel that instills confidence. I had a variety of wires to strip and crimp, ranging from 10 to 22 AWG, and it handled everything like a champ. The precise cutting edge made stripping wires a clean, hassle-free process. The ergonomic non-slip rubber handle was a game changer. I could work longer without my hands feeling fatigued. What I loved most was the versatility of this tool. It crimped both insulated and non-insulated terminals seamlessly, which is crucial for any electrical job. Plus, the 24-month warranty gave me peace of mind knowing that the company stands behind its product. However, it's worth noting that it might not have the heft of more expensive tools, but for the price, it's an absolute steal. Overall, I found the WGGE WG015 to be an exceptional tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Why buy it? It's affordable, durable, and does the job right every single time. Product number 2. AMZ CNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool. Using the AMZ CNC Hammer Lug Crimper was an eye-opening experience. This isn't just any crimper, it's a tool that demands respect. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it crimped 8 AWG to 4/0 gauge connectors with utter ease. The unique feature here is the hammer-based crimping mechanism. I found that loading the connector and cable, then giving it a solid whack with a sledgehammer produced a secure connection every time. It's a bit of a workout, but it's super effective. What's great is that the V-groove base holds lugs securely, ensuring accurate crimping without any slippage. The steel construction felt robust enough to withstand repeated use without any wear and tear. On the downside, the hammering action might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a more traditional crimping experience. But if you regularly work with battery and welding cables, this tool is a must-have. Why buy it? It's engineered for durability and performance, making it the perfect choice for serious electrical work. Product number 3. Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors, AWG 22 to 10. After trying out the Plus Tool crimping tool, I can confidently say it's a professional-grade tool that delivers outstanding results. It's specifically designed for heat shrink connectors, which is a big deal for me since I often work with these types. The ratcheting mechanism is a dream. It requires you to squeeze the handle through a full cycle, ensuring uniform crimps every single time. I appreciated the colored crimping die nests that made it easy to identify the right size for each job. The ergonomic handle design really stood out during my extended use sessions. It felt comfortable in my hands, and the non-slip grip gave me confidence that I wouldn't fumble during a critical crimping moment. However, it's worth mentioning that while it's excellent for heat shrink connectors, it may not perform as well with other types of terminals. Why buy it? If you're frequently working with heat shrink connectors, this tool is designed to meet your needs with precision and comfort. Product number 4. Hystronica Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool. The Hystronica Crimping Tool is a versatile powerhouse. From the moment I picked it up, the ergonomic design and sturdy build made me feel like I was holding a premium tool. It's engineered for AWG 24 to 10, and the effortless wire stripping feature is a game changer. The adjustable blades made stripping wires smooth and precise, eliminating any chance of damaging the wire. During my testing, I crimped various types of connectors, and the results were consistently professional grade. One of the highlights was how comfortable it felt during prolonged use, thanks to the non-slip handles that minimized fatigue. On the flip side, it may be a bit heavier than other tools I've used, which could be a consideration for some. But it's built to last, and it certainly feels like it can take a beating. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, durable tool that handles both stripping and crimping flawlessly, this is it. Product number 5. High-Stronica Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors. The High-Stronica Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors is another excellent addition to their lineup. What impressed me most was its precision ratchet structure, which ensures a tight crimp every time. I often find myself in situations where I need to crimp connectors quickly and efficiently, and this tool did not disappoint. The comfortable grip and solid ratchet action made the process smooth and straightforward. I found it particularly useful for automotive and appliance wiring, where secure connections are non-negotiable. It has a quick release lever, which is incredibly handy when you're in a tight spot. The only drawback is that it's specifically tailored for heat shrink connectors, so if you need a more versatile tool for other types, this might not be your best fit. Why buy it? If you want a reliable tool that excels in crimping heat shrink connectors, this is your go-to. So there you have it, my top 5 crimping tools for wire that deliver quality, performance, and durability. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will help you tackle any wiring project with confidence. Choose the one that fits your needs best and you won't be disappointed.